Okay guys, I didn't really plan on unboxing this. I had one box that was left from the UK, and because it's not really too exotic, I wasn't too fussed about unboxing it, but just in case there is somebody out there who is going to find this a bit interesting, I'll do a quick unboxing. I don't think you want to see me taking it all out, setting it up and all that kind of stuff. I think you've probably had enough of that. But yeah, so this is a Kyosho Mini Z. The reason I got this, guys, is I've got plenty of Mini Zs, but I didn't really have one that fits this body shell that I've had for a while. And this body is the Lotus Exige. Nice little car. I've got that in red and white. There's an orange version as well, which I don't have. But you know what? I couldn't bother to adjust my cars, and this is an 86mm wheelbase, and I don't really have any. 90 is the smallest I've got. Okay, and to be honest, the last time I did an unboxing of one of these newer types of Mini Zs was when I did it off the what's it called, guys? Oh, the McLaren F1 GTR that had that same remote. And if you remember, I dropped the remote and I wasn't a fan of the remote anyway. I thought it was rubbish. The performance was absolutely rubbish, guys. I don't know if I just got like a dodgy dud one. It was terrible. It really was terrible. And I got put off and I just sold it on. I did not want to keep it. Maybe I just got one that wasn't a cracker. I'm going to try it again. So here we go, and this is the Lotus Exige, and yep, I definitely want to run that in my vids. I like them wheels because I have put them wheels on quite a few things. I don't know if you guys are interested in this unboxing, but you know what? Let's just keep it short and sweet. So, let's get it out. There is our little bad boy. And in here, because I'm going to do it as a short version, guys, in here, under here, you have all your cones. You take your tape off. You've got all your cones, and you've got your pairing stick. You have got, and see how you get it off is, you've got to take it apart. So just do it. Man, I want to keep it short, guys. I think you guys get fed up with me talking too much. So, split it from here. This all pulls apart. Okay. And now you should be able to pull it apart like that, basically. I don't know if you guys can see, sorry, the camera's reversed. Okay. Take it up. And there's no cones in there. What on earth happened? A bit of a shock. And normally the cable ties aren't that big. I hope I haven't got one that's been blooming used. This is what really annoys me about Mini Zs, man. It's the only thing that annoys me about Mini Zs. Anyway, positive. Think good of people. Model Spot wouldn't do that to me. It doesn't normally come like that. No, it doesn't come like that. That's not even cable tied in. You know what? I think I'm gonna have a bad experience again. Yeah. Don't like this remote at all. I think it's absolutely rubbish. I think it's something that you get with a budget toy that's like £20. Don't like that at all. They should have kept the old remote. So that's the first thing. Yeah. Oop. And that looks like it's already kind of, I don't know, man. Tires look alright. I don't know. Anyway, I haven't got some scissors, so I'm gonna end up cutting myself. Oh, managed to do it. Where are the flip? Are you tied in? Okay, so it's cable tied into the battery holder. These cable ties are too big. These aren't what normally come with it. Normally they have them twisty tie rope things. I don't know what they've done here. I have got my doubts right now, guys, if this is even blooming not. I don't know, man. I don't know. I think I just don't do very well with this particular type of Mini Z. I don't know what it is. I've had it before and I wasn't impressed, and how on earth did they even blooming get that in there? That's the first thing. Okay. Right, it was never that complicated before, but okay. And that's it. Not happy. Okay, there we can see it. It's the, I think it's the RM version rear motor mount, which is quite a low motor mount. Nothing special, nothing to write home about. I never buy stock stuff, and this is the first time I only bought it because I needed a small one. And I hope it performs, really, guys, because when I've bought them in the past with that remote, they've been rubbish. So, that's a really quick unboxing. I wasn't lying when I said it to be quick. Yeah, I haven't really got much to say about this. It's box stock, and it comes with that remote that I hate. This is ended up being worse than my Mini Z review. I mean, unboxing. I like the car though. I think that car's gonna look absolutely mental into my vids. Right, so here you go. Cones, pairing stick. That's your wheel wrench, yeah. And was there anything else? And there's all your bits and bobs if you want to make the chassis narrower. You've got different pinion gears in there. You've got, should be, I don't think you've got spare gears, but tie bars and all that kind of stuff, and stuff you're probably never going to use. It's all there. Okay, right, thank you. Great unboxing. I would like to drive it, show it to you guys. And here's the manual. Yeah, if you've seen one, you've seen them all. There's nothing absolutely going to be different about this. Okay, and I really want to drive that. I want to drive the Mini Z monster truck, just so that you can see, because last time I didn't make a video after driving the F1 and it was horrendous. It was so rubbish. I think there's been 2 or 3 Mini Zs that I bought that have just been so crap. They performed so badly, guys. I was like, what, are they a dud? Has somebody used them, just changed the tyres and made it look a bit newer? And I don't know what it was, but I was not impressed. And please do not do this to me, my little friend, Mr. Lotus. Anyhow, hopefully if I get a chance, I'll do the driving vids with the Mini Z monster truck and with that. And both of them already shot them down. I don't know if I'm just forward thinking, yeah, but I don't think I'm going to be very impressed already. I just wanted one that size, so when I do vids with it, I can run my different body shells under that car. Right, okay, I wasn't too hyped up anyway, but you can put lights on, you can put a gyro on, yeah. There's the upgrades that you can put onto the car, and you're just going to do your wheel nuts and your bearings and your chassis stiffener. That's kind of like your bread and butter, what you really need. There's the tools that come with it, alright. So you get pinions, and you've got your wheel nuts and C-rings, which are plastic, they're not even metal. And I don't know, I should have gone for the forward wheel drive one, because I've not tried that one yet. But the last time I tried one of these, it was an absolute disaster. So hopefully it's not going to be as bad this time. Right. Okay, I think I will add it onto this when I drive it, so you can see it firsthand. And if it's not good, I'm going to let you guys know. Just don't buy these. Go for the ones with the KT18 remote. But yeah, let's see. Right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Awesome. And stay tuned for the next vids, guys, and for a lot more craziness that's going to be going on the channel Mossy5734. Thank you so much.